Hello, thank you for joining me today, and thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring this resource to you. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the back tap on the back of the iPhone. This may be something that you never knew about that was a feature on the Apple iPhone. There is the logo on the back of the phone, as you can see in the pictures above. All you have to do is set up the device to be able to tap them either twice or 3 times to control different features on your phone. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will share with you how to set this up. To begin, you're going to go to your settings on your phone, and then you will scroll down to where it says accessibility. In accessibility, you will click that and open it up, and then scroll down to where it says touch and choose touch. Once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see where it says back tap, and it should say off. If it's off, you're going to turn it on. You have 2 options to double tap or triple tap. So let's do double tap, and then you can choose which function that you want for the double tap. So I'm going to choose the screenshot. So I choose it, it puts a little check mark beside it so you know that that's selected. And then for a triple tap, I'm going to select that, and I am going to use that to make the lock screen. So that's the function I'm going to choose. I'm going to click on it and it gives me a check mark. And then let's go back and try it out and see what happens. So when I double tap on the back, it will make a screenshot, and you can see it did right there, put the screenshot down at the bottom, and then I have that available. Just keep in mind that some of these features work better when you have a thin case or no case on your device. A thicker case may prevent it from detecting that back tap, so keep that in mind also. So what function are you going to use with your back tap feature? This is a really cool hidden setting for your iPhone, and we hope that you check it out and enjoy using it.